Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share a brand new project with you all. This is called Life is an Open Book. It's inspired after one of these decorative home decor pieces that you can find in some of the really nice stores as this faux book right here. So what I did was I put a little Paper Phenomenon twist on it, and I decided to take it a step further and not just put a standard mini album in here, but I went ahead and put this really neat filing system in here. As you can see, it's attached to the book. It opens up really well, gives you total accessibility here on this side area. It's just another opportunity for you to house your memories, quick glance at those favorite pictures, depending on what you want to put in here. You can also put some keepsake items, things that you collect along the way, or whatever kind of memorabilia you want to store here. But of course, I had to give you a really nice mini album, so we'll go through this in just a minute. For those of you who are curious, this is the Prima Time Traveler collection along with Prima Epiphany items from one of their new paper collections. And it's really beautiful. Right off the bat, you get to tell the story right here with this arrangement of photographs here. You got full 4x6 photographs here and some area for decorating. Here, I will advise that you keep your embellishments flat, all right, so you can still maintain this really wonderful look. In the tutorial, I take you through the process on how to get these really nice faux pages here that you can see, as you can see, and I also repeated the same treatment here on the side and also on the bottom, and it turned out really nice. It plays back to the whole theme of the book, and I love it. So it looks like pages, some nice hardware on the cover, and you can fit a lot of stuff in here. If you decide to forego the mini album and just make the box, you can certainly do that and just store all of your goodies in here. So it just turned out beautiful. I absolutely love the project. There's a really nice stopper mechanism here. So this does not cave all the way in, even if you don't have a book in there. All right, so let me take you through the mini album really quickly. Again, Life is an Open Book. That's this project here. With the tutorial, you get your template to create this faux page box here, if you will. All right, so that comes in the tutorial. And then I made what I'm calling the 4x6 perfect 4x6 pix perfect mini. And it's and the reason why I'm calling it this is because it's perfect for 4x6 photographs, no cropping, and perfect for your project life cards or whatever company you decide to go with, whether it's the Bo Bunny miscellaneous me cards. So the cards fit here perfectly, no cropping, no cutting things down or trying to figure out how you're going to fit your photographs or the cards. So with this paper collection, you get some cutouts, and as you can see, perfect 4x6 here. Another opportunity here for photographs, 4x6 as well. So this is going to be a go-to photo album for you. I took it a step further and gave you some insertions because we all love the interactive characteristics of a mini album. So I did that for you here along with this really nice size pocket. You can fit a generous size tag in here. And in this insertion, you have room for 1, 2, 3 photographs. So really nice, really substantial. So this is one of those cases where good things come in small packages. It's perfect, absolutely perfect. So another 4x6 card here. So roughly, if you deck it out to the nines the way I did here, you can fit at least 50 to 60 photographs just in this one alone. So in these spaces where you see the pocket card, you would attach your photograph or whatever it is you decide to put on these empty spaces. So it's not gonna get too bulky. All right, so you can go, if it's a gift, you do the photo mat. If it's something that it's for yourself, go ahead and put your photograph right onto the cardstock. So and the pages repeat itself, just a really, really sweet, perfect mini album for 4x6, for the 6x6 pads. Again, the Project Life style pocket scrapbooking that is super hot now and on trend. And again, the paper collection, Time Traveler, in conjunction with the Prima Epiphany line. All right, and I'll take you through it very quickly so you can check it out. Just really wonderful. By the way, these insertions are a Kaisercraft product, and these are called snapshots, and they match back perfectly with the paper collection. How beautiful that paper. But what I love about this paper is that they also have some solids where you don't have to decide whether you're going to cover up the paper or not. Even if you crop a photo down to fit in this area here with a little bit of a border, you're still going to appreciate that really beautiful paper behind the photograph. So just a great backdrop. And that's it, guys. So this is Life is an Open Book, and the tutorial is available for this project. I will link you down below in the description box, and it'll take you right to my shop so you can pick this one up. So let's think outside the box here very quickly before I let you go. Can you imagine a baby nursery rhyme type project, a wedding project, just possibilities and completely endless. I'm totally thinking about the baby nursery rhymes book, and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. I hope someone takes that on because I can't wait to see it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.